For my internship, I decided to create tutorials and handouts on the Scantron Achievement Series, which I'll abbreviate to call SAS. The purpose of SAS is to analyze test data, create pre and post tests, and also you can compare the data among students at your particular school as well as students over the district. So for example, if I wanted to compare the data to the sixth grade science students as a whole, compare them at my school, to Chapin Middle School, to say the sixth grade students at Crossroads Middle School, which is a middle school in our district, I could do that. Now, I can't exactly compare specific students, but I could look at the school data. And what I really like about the Scantron Achievement Series is you can really dig deep into analyzing the test data. You can look at how many students chose the correct answer for each question and how many students maybe chose the incorrect answer. Or with each individual question, if it's multiple choice, A, B, C, D, you can see how many students chose A, how many chose B, how many chose C, how many chose D. And it really helps you figure out where there are gaps. The purpose of my internship is to create various tutorials for SAS, and some of my tutorials that I am trying to create, I really hope they can appeal to all learners. Like, I'm making handouts as well as video tutorials. And of course, the kinesthetic learners have to actually do these steps in order to actually learn it. So I'm killing three birds with one stone, basically. Some of the handouts that I've created was how to create a pre and post test, how to create an answer key only document, how to print off an answer document, and how to publish a test. And there's a couple more, but I didn't list them all. Some negatives, or I guess I'd say stressors about SAS would be it's a very complex machine. It can be pretty stressful and overwhelming just looking at it. And it's 3 years old, the machine we have, and there's already a newer version out, because our machine doesn't actually print out on the answer document once they've taken the test and you've scanned it. It doesn't actually print out which ones the student has missed. Instead, we have to either go back and hand grade it or go through and tell them, okay, this is a correct answer for number one, and they have to check it themselves. Now, actually, on the website, it'll give you the data, but not on the actual answer document. It takes a lot of patience, and sometimes people, me for example, don't have an abundant amount of patience, but it does take patience, and it can be time consuming at first. Some positives for this machine is after a while, you really do get a hang of it, and it's really all about trial and error. The first time, you kind of have to get your feet wet to figure out what's going on, and then it does help to kind of take notes as you're going on. It gives you very detailed data, which is so helpful. And there's a variety of different tests you can create. You can create an answer key only, you can actually type in questions yourself, or you can choose items from a test bank. And be sure to check out my wiki. It has all the handouts and tutorials that I have so far, and also as the internship progresses, there will be more materials available. And here is the website to view my wiki.